What up though YouTube, my name is Fred Fields and today I got another custom video for y'all. This time I did a pair of Air Force 1s and we did a Family Guy theme on these, you feel me? Customer reached out to me, told me which characters he wanted on the shoe, said I could do whatever I want with them, and hey, it is what it is. That's how I kicked it off. But I want y'all to take a look at this hat though. Hey, made by yours truly, Finally Famous Customs, Mr. Fred Fields. Y'all hear them cheering in the back? Nah, but without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and get into this video. I know y'all don't like watching these intros and everything, but follow me on Instagram, iMakeCustomCleats, Snapchat, future_famous. Email me for any business inquiries at FinallyFamousCustoms@yahoo.com. I forgot which other one I didn't put, but I'll put it right here. Whatever. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Yeah.